Hopefully you've downloaded the free sample pages from the LeadCatPress website and you're looking at page 7, which introduces 3 notes on the high E string, E, F, and G. Now E is the open string, it's your highest or thinnest string, and I'm just playing that open with no fingers fretting anything. Now I'm also using this part of my wrist to anchor my hand on the lower or thicker strings. By doing this, it allows me to use the same exact motion every single time I want to play a note on that high E string. To play the note F, you're going to take the tip of your first finger and place that directly behind that first metal fret, again picking that high E string. And to play G, you'll use the tip of your third finger behind that third metal fret, again picking that high E string. So study what those notes look like on the staff, how to play them, and then turn the page and practice playing and saying the notes on the staff on that note identification worksheet. You can draw in the note names, play them and say them as you go through the page, and also draw them on the staff below.